And today we're going to be talking about this. But no, this is not the product. If you've seen these popular folding stools like this that are easy to carry, that unfold, they're great for parks, they're great for sporting events, and it's just a portable seat that you just untwist and you can sit on, just like this. You know, they're very convenient, they're very nice to have. But if you've ever sat on one for a really long time, you know it can be a pain in the butt. Well, I have a solution for you. Today we're going to be talking about this pad. This is a little 3/4 inch thick foam pad made especially for your foldable stool. And what's really cool about it is, you can see it has these little nubs on the bottom. Well, these nubs align with the little finger holes in the top of your stool. So you can just simply insert them in, and it's going to lock your cushion in place. So even if you move your stool around, turn it upside down, your foam pad's going to stay on, and it's going to give you a little cush for your tush and make this stool a whole lot more comfortable. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.